Hey, what's up, everyone? How are you? So today we're gonna review LED stripe. It's 5 meter. So just we're gonna show you how it's gonna work, and it come with a remote and with a controller. This is control the LED, the color, so you can control it by the remote. And it come with a USB. So just be advised, the remote is not coming with the battery inside it. You have to buy by itself, but just I'm gonna show you how it's gonna work. So just simply put this one here, the controller, on this side or the other side. Sometimes if it didn't work, just flip it and it's gonna work. But let's try it now. So also this stripe has on the back the sticker, so you can stick it on the wall on the TV. So let's connect this one with the USB, any USB you want. So as you see, it didn't work, but I think we have to just flip it this way. So as you see, it did work. So it worked all the lights without the remote, or with the remote you can control it. If we need the red, actually you get over there, control green, blue. You have here white, but this does not include the white. If you click on the white, you can show all the color. You have blue, you have all those. So yeah, so this is the remote, but for the light control it's not included. Yeah, so the remote, you have to buy the batteries, not include. I think it's $1 on Dollar Tree. So this one off, on. Yeah, this one is 5 meter. Is not waterproof. And that's all. Thank you. If you have any question, please leave comment. Thank you for watching.